Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon TCG Live for beginners. First, download the free Pokémon TCG Live application on your computer, tablet, or mobile device. Once installed, launch the game and complete the interactive tutorial. This essential step teaches you the fundamental rules and how to navigate the game's interface. After the tutorial, you will select one of 3 complementary starter decks to begin your journey. Understanding the core mechanics is crucial for new players. Each game begins with both players drawing a 7-card hand and placing a basic Pokémon as their active. You can attach one energy card from your hand to one of your Pokémon each turn, powering up their attacks. The goal is to knock out your opponent's Pokémon, allowing you to take one of your 6 prize cards. Collect all 6 prize cards to win the game. Expanding your collection is a key part of the Pokémon TCG Live experience. You can earn new cards, coins, and crystals by completing daily challenges and participating in various game modes. Use your earned crystals to buy booster packs or pre-built decks in the in-game shop. Additionally, you can craft specific cards you need for your decks using credits, which are acquired by converting duplicate cards. Pokémon TCG Live offers several ways to play and progress. The ladder mode allows you to compete against other players and climb the ranks, earning rewards as you go. For a more relaxed experience, casual matches are perfect for practicing new decks or trying out strategies without affecting your rank. Don't forget to complete the Battle Pass, which offers many exclusive rewards and cosmetic items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.